Middle East United States Central Command CENTCOM chuanin update poimo deuh mai ngai nom deuh mai ron pe a hemi hi kan react tran ma in he kan en ho lokang
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sanghi somni parukatanga sanghi somni pasari academic sessionatan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hroina skula hian admission ron ti vero le.
Yes, St Anthony's Higher Secondary School a phone number pon ran tar langa admission in lo han ti ve theu don ni ole tu na chuanin kan react tanang.
Hi, I'm Admiral Brad Cooper, Commander of U.S. Central Command, here in the Middle East with our 50,000 service members.
Brad Cooper, United States Central Command and how to pa
To provide my 6th update on Operation Epic Fury.
Operation Epic Fury update voiruk na turan pedoni.
Now in our 5th week of the campaign, it is my operational assessment that we are making undeniable progress in
Makanson na sa leani. Tunhi akar nga na aniya makanson na sa leani etini.
eliminating Iran's ability to project power in meaningful ways outside its borders.
Iran ina a border pon lama ramdang abay thay na tur. Hey, bay satli anilaw mo. Omzinita ka Iran ina abay vetay na tur ang manroning ang tekakan ti siyat sak na sa to lutok aron tiyan eh.
We don't see their navy sailing. We don't see their aircraft flying.
An thon na thoklay kan muto ngay lova anin daw long tapo kan muto ngay lawan eh.
And their air defense and missile defense systems have largely been destroyed.
An air defense te and missile defense zong te. Tuan atam zo hitu ti siyat ni to ni aron tiyan eh. Hey hitu dikring. Atan zo US na Israel na an ka hituanin apuak dur ni Iran hitu. Iran lang panginan ka hatuanin heta Middle East ram tamtak te bigin Israel te. Ani katunin is a air defense system ka anla nei nga ang rengkop may rin ay takin air defense system ka anla nei nga anla nei tha kami missile interceptor ang site po anla nei nga ni amaro chu Israel te US te na Iran an bom to hitonin air defense an nei lo ti hi chiang ngoi mai ni puak dur ni Iran a hian.
Despite our clear dominance, our forces remain vigilant. It's long been my belief that every success we have begins and ends with our people, and our warfighters deployed forward are doing outstanding work.
Nena chu kan chang chho zela ma kan son to khop mai amaro chu kan si pai te hi an la film khur reng maya thil kan ti reng hi kan ram mi pui ta na ti kan nia.
During this trip, I've had the privilege to recognize and award our troops for their courage, resilience, and tenacity as they continue to go above and beyond.
Kan si pai te hi ka chuang khop mai te ni an chu tuna an in do na po khenin mi tam tak award te po lo hlan to ani in do chung ngoi nge hian mo enge a detail tak chonin kan la thelo maro chu na kin ate po kan la thei tura ngai la an Central Command ho to pa hianin si pai tam tak choi moi na te po lo hlan to a chuang hle ani a si pai te hi.
Yeah, pretty fun work. Great job. You enjoy it, huh?
Thank you, sir.
How long have you been in?
12 years, sir.
Fantastic. How you doing?
Pretty good, sir.
I'm from Ohio.
Okay, what part?
Toledo, sir.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Thanks for
Si pai te en kom lai te po te hian ron tilang zela ni.
what you're doing. Much appreciated.
Yes, sir.
What's your job?
I'm a wizard for the Striking Girl.
Okay, how many missions have you flown?
Probably a couple dozen at this point.
And how long have you personally been out here?
Been out here only since February, sir.
February thla changa omte an ni hloma then chu e March thla hi rei ang reng khop mai a nak tu chang chon April ni to do na.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thanks for keep up the great work. Thanks so much. In the meantime, I'm wishing you all the best. I think of you every day and with a lot of pride. So thanks for what you're doing. I really appreciate it and couldn't be prouder.
In til ti zong te ka chuang khop mai ni ka chuang lu tuk cheu in ti lai po hian in ni tin hian in ka ngai to ve thin cheu wa chu wan son in na te po ka thatak in lo thok chun zom zel ro ti ni.
I met with our service members who are operating the most sophisticated and largest active air defense umbrella in the world, right here in the Middle East, to defend against Iran's indiscriminate missile and drone attacks. Since day one, our warfighters have also shown unmatched reach and lethality in systematically dismantling Iran's drone.
Heti nga video in mu ang apiang hi Israel US te na Iran si pai thil velan yang infrastructure poi mo tak an ka chiat live video ni
missile and naval capabilities by delivering a massive amount.
Lela ma zonin United States lampang hin ting video te hi an ti chuak zel theya Iran lampang ero hi chonin ti chuak tur hin nei ve than chuang lo wa Israel te US te na an ti chuak ani lem lo chuan achan chu ki ting hin video lak tur pon nei ve lem lo ni ran tak hi chuan
of firepower. Every branch of the military is achieving unprecedented success. Our naval forces have launched waves upon waves of cruise missiles and fighter aircraft from the sea. U.S. Air Forces
kan navy te hianin tomo cruise missile tam tak an kap chuak to a target poimo tak tak an kap che to a ti choni kan air force lampang te
extended our reach with refueling tankers while executing a high volume of airstrikes into Iran with fighters and
oh hei hetiang hi avan pui bon takeo ti hianin thona an tho lai rengin an mani le an mani kha petrol ti meang kan hre thiam tlan thei dan turin an mani le mani kha petrol in thun sakane a pui rem khop mai khi thil khi chu
bombers.
khitiang awang hianin jet fighter tam tak e po e heta ron trum le kherai lo khan ti khan thokwal char thei ni begin B2 hi stealth bomber te po hianin atiang hanin thonan tho lai boru kan tho lai reng khan petrol te khan thun thrin ni oil te khan lak bel thrin ni.
Our soldiers and Marines have delivered long-range strikes from land and mounted a robust air defense to not only protect Americans, but our partners as well. And our Space Force has given us the ultimate high ground, delivering space superiority, which has been a critical enabler to this fight.
Hei hilom United States I chung nung big na le pakhat chumo an Space Force hei Navy and oma Air Force and oma Ground Force te pon oma nga ha sipai kan mu zo chi takamo Space Force satellite in satellite mang in Iran ina aral thua man da that na mun te khonge an sipai mo chunin khamene om na tur ang chi te khang zong kha United States lampang Space Force in an shevek theda ne an intelligence hi chu aturu khop a inturu hlei khop man an intelligence na hi chumo.
After witnessing the absolute professionalism, discipline, and dedication of our men and women in uniform supporting Operation Epic Fury, I just could not be prouder. And I know that their families, friends, and loved ones back home share this pride. So to all the moms, dads, husbands, wives, friends, and loved ones back home, thank you for everything that you're doing to support our outstanding warriors. There is no adversary too determined, no mission too difficult, and no task too great for our soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, Guardian, and Coast Guardsmen that make up the most powerful military the world has ever seen.
Asipai te achuan thua soi ni tin asipai te achuan mai ba ka hianin asipai ya chung te mo an chung te ina an support na kha aro pu yatia kita hianin aron soi tel bokani achan chu sipai te kha chunia an ti turania amaro chu an chung te na an support awang khanin kiting hianin thatakin ha te pokha an thok theya emotional support hi poi mo thing khopang hetiang in do da phei ki chon mo chung te na support vak lo hi do nan ron tel phei chonin mindset kha dik lo ve thaya amaro chu chung te nan support a tiang hianin khovela sipai chakber ni na kha tiang hian an nei thei pha ni ti hianin an sen kom ho tu pa hianin a ho te a chuan em thu khi a soinon ani.
To all our warfighters, keep up the great work and Godspeed. Thanks.
Godspeed hi chu nia an war khop mai sipai te hian khati zong kha tun tu mata na kan han react thei chu ani angai no mang reng khop mai sen kom an ho tu pai na hetianga update ron pe khi wow ti vel tur kha om chuang lowa amaro chu a poi mo khop mai ale khati zong kha tun trum atana kan han react le thei chu ani video la kan in mu le theu do nia